What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to come by real quick, make a little video. Got my hair done, there's some family pictures. Just got my hair done. Like 1:25, I'm about to go to sleep. Just wanted to come by, make a quick video. See how y'all doing. I want to say thanks to the subscribers that I do have. Even though I haven't been on long, thank you. Not really try to upload some more videos. I wanted to ask, is there any about some like dry skin products that people use? If you can like tell me what you use. I've been using this Manual spray, Mama Itch growth spray, prevents itching and dry scalp, dry scalp. So I just want to know if there are any other products that I can go to the store and buy that's cheap, because I am in school. But yeah, that's about it. I am in school. I'm a visual arts major. I'm trying to look for my sketchbook. Sorry, someone. Hold on, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me show y'all some of my pictures that I've done. Kanye, 808s and Heartbreaks. I have a lot of unfinished stuff. My daddy, Baby Bob, Molly, one more, my favorite ones. The great Ray Lewis, played for the Baltimore Ravens. Yeah. I'll show you one of my paintings too. I paint a little bit. I'm trying to get better. Hold on. It's like one of my paintings I worked on. So yeah, I try. You know what I'm saying? If I could do some more artwork, I'll probably show y'all too. But yeah, I just wanted to come by real quick before I went to sleep. Yeah, about that dry skin stuff, 'cause I do got dry skin. You probably can't see it now, but I got a little dry skin. But scalp, I should say. Yeah, and thank you again for y'all videos that y'all put up. It's like really helpful. Like I said, I'm not good at names, so I'm not even gonna say nothing. But I know apples and mustard. Shanta, even though she don't have lots anymore, her videos are really helpful. A lot of people I'm subscribed to. That's about it. I just wanted to come and make a quick video. Subscribe if you want to. If you don't, don't. Thank you for looking at it. That's what's up. Alright. Peace.